We allow them to develop those skills, and it unfolds organically once you teach them how to use the tools and then give them the room to create with it. Picture this. I have a classroom full of 20 students, and we give each of them a Lego box. And we, as facilitators, step them through the process of creating that object. So their goal is to build a structure that is an exact replica of the image on the box. They can do it, and we could have a classroom of 20 of the same items, and we applaud that. Yay, we've done it. Well, that is the structural part. You have to have the framework in order to understand that this is how a project is made, and there are steps. But I can take those same boxes, put them in front of the same students, and take the instructions away from them and say, build me something. So it would be the same if I gave them a MacBook Pro, or I gave them an iPad, or I gave them Ableton software. Whatever it is, they can create with those same tools, but with their own ideas. The best part, though, is at the end of all project development, each learner is required to showcase what they've created, and to hear them be able to articulate what I created, the tools I used to create it with, why I made these choices, and then to also be able to articulate the challenge. That comes organically through the process, and for us, it's just astounding.